I have to say, just before I start this, I have sung 3 songs to this air, and the first one was The Fair City of Mullingar, and the next one was Nell Flaherty's Drake, all to the same air of Perhaps an Old, and this one is the Narrow Gauge. So it could end up during this song now, because the words get mixed up in the head, that Nell Flaherty travels on the Narrow Gauge and arrives in Mullingar. So it could happen. If it does, you'll understand. You jovial tourists who seek the purest and grandest scenery in all the land, pray pay attention whilst here I mention a mode of transport that will suit you grand. 'Tis not the motor I aim to vote for, nor Premier Cycle, though all the rage. No, my advice is, whatever the price is, go buy a ticket on the Narrow Gauge. Just travel by it, 'twill take you quiet, the best of company you're sure to meet. The donkey dealers and fowl retailers of Church Lane, Cannabo and Chapel Street. The grand directors and line instructors and local pressmen so cute and sage. They travel gratis, whatever that is, while others stump up on the Narrow Gauge. All nature's charms in all its forms along the line will entice the view. St. Kevin's Gander saw nothing grander, well around Wicklow of Oldie flew. Moore's Lanaruk is a beauteous book with blooming flowers on every page, but Sharon's roses can't match the posies that deck the borders of the Narrow Gauge. To Drummond, there are still some that prefer to sit behind tuners grey. Going to Balturbet, they surely curb it, the brakes are on all the blessed way. If to Drumshambo you by the tram go, no slower passage can you engage. Jack Redsy's donkey, they call him Spunky, would beat King Edward on the Narrow Gauge. The Irish royals might shout disloyal, so hear my meaning I should define. King Ned's an engine was med at bingin', fair lovely bingin' on the Rhine. And Sergeant Brian, a cute and sly one, would seek promotion by some other stage. Else him I'll sentence to due repentance and 20 miles on the Narrow Gauge. Last verse. 'Twas my intention much more to mention, though half its praises I haven't sung. Big babies bawling with mommies calling, and click, 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 telegraphic song. But sweet as the thrushes and trees and bushes and pet canaries on gilded cage. When I have leisure, I sing with pleasure the countless beauties of the Narrow Gauge. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.